Hey everyone, my name is Doc Williams from Brand Factory Inc. And I want to talk a little bit how I use voice experiences, voice apps in my business and why it's so important. So I use it in order to get closer to my users, closer to my audience, to make sure that I'm giving them what they need in a different experience. Tons of times I'm on tons of newsletters, I'm doing all of these different messaging apps, but when they hear a voice message or a voice experience, now it's something totally different than they're not used to, and it allows them to feel closer to the brand. So we use it for our clarity program, so it allows them to get their fundamental steps to get clarity for their business ideas. Now, I've used several different voice experiences, voice apps in the past, but what I like about True Reply is it reminds me of, it's as simple as creating a form. So I think about using things like Typeform or other form builders. That's how easy it is to create a voice experience. You just create something like that, have the same flow, and I was able to create it in a really, really fast manner. The last part is, would I recommend True Reply? Definitely. Now, why would I recommend it? Because after seeing how easy it is, and we've educated our audience on how to use voice experiences and how we built our own, now I can teach other people, no matter what kind of business that they have, to use True Reply, to use voice experiences and leverage it to expand their own business, expand their authority in their niche. So I would recommend True Reply, and I can't wait for all the new revisions and all the things that they have planned in the coming future.